Can you use foil in your Ninja Foodi oven? If you're thinking about using foil in your Ninja Foodi, don't risk a fire or ruined food. The official manual is clear on what's safe and what can destroy your meal. Step 1. Never put foil on the tray or rack. Laying aluminum foil directly on the oven tray or wire rack blocks airflow and traps grease, and that can cause a fire. Ninja specifically warns against this in the safety guide. Step 2. Don't cover the crumb tray either. It might seem like a cleanup shortcut, but covering the crumb tray with foil will cause heat to bounce back up, and that can overheat your oven or damage the heating element. Step 3. What you can use instead. Pre-cut parchment paper sheets are the safer option. But here's the trick. Don't just line the tray with them like normal. You want the food to sit on the paper and place another sheet gently on top of the food to prevent splatter or burning from the top coil. This stops lightweight items from flying up into the heating element. If you're using oily or marinated ingredients in the air fry basket, it's also fine to place a parchment sheet on the tray under the basket to catch drips. Just don't block the airflow. Step 4. Trim to fit. Never wrap. Make sure your baking paper doesn't hang over the edges. If it touches a hot surface or blocks ventilation, it becomes a fire hazard. I've linked the pre-cut parchment sheets I use below. They fit the SP101 tray perfectly, so you don't need to measure or trim every time. If this helped you cook more safely and avoid burning your Ninja oven, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you still need pre-cut parchment sheets for the tray, I've linked the ones I use below. They're non-stick, fit perfectly, and won't curl into the heating element. Thanks for watching, and don't cook blind.